Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. How are you guys doing? Hope you are fine wherever you are watching this tutorial from. So today we are making this beautiful v-neck hairline free dress, and it's going to have a collar on it. It's a very beautiful style that we are making today, and you're going to learn how to cut and sew this beautiful style. We have a simple way of cutting this hairline dress. So I will employ you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you'll be able to learn how to cut and sew it on your own. So guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can just pause and do it now, and you can also like, share, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. So guys, we also have other tutorials on my channel that you can check so that you can able to learn how to cut the other styles that we have on my YouTube channel now. So guys, don't forget, like I said, if you're interested to know how to cut and sew this beautiful style that we are making, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you'll be able to learn how to cut and sew it on your own. And another way for you to support my channel is for you to please watch my tutorials to the end. So guys, let's get started now with the tutorial.
So this our fabric that we want to use is 2 yards that we are using to make this hairline dress that will have a collar on it at the V neckline. So let's get started with the measurement. So I will fold it. So just watch me the way I'm folding it. So this is how you will fold it to get this your simple way of cutting this your hairline dress. Can you see what I'm doing here? This is how you can manage your fabric to get this style of cutting this hairline dress. So can you see how I folded it? So this is how you fold it, and let me fold it well so that we'll start with our measurement, and you will see where we'll start with our starting point, that is the length. So this is it. So I've folded it now, so we'll start with our length. So what I'm marking there now is where we'll start with our measurement. So for my length now is what I'm marking. My length that I'm having there is 39. That is 36. I mean to say 36. So this is how you go about it when cutting it. So can you see the way I'm holding my tape so that it will not shift? This is how you mark it and get that round side of it, of the circle. So we have gotten it. That is our length now. So this is how you place it. Can you see the way I'm placing it? So what I'm marking there is my shoulder. So my shoulder there is 8. So coming to the downside of it now, that is to get my V neckline, is 7.5 that I marked here. So my neck, so the width of my neck is 3. To bring out the down, that the cleavage is 2. What I'm marking there now for that round is the back, because I folded it into 4. So I'm cutting everything at once. That is the front and the back, and that is the V line neck that I've drawn. So that is how you get it. And to mark our armhole, that is my armhole line that I've marked there. So from there is where you will start with your body measurement, that is the bust measurement. So just for me now to get a straight line, that's what I'm doing there now. So that's my body measurement now. My body measurement that I'm having, that is the bust, is 38, and what I marked there is 40 because it will lose a little. So this is the armhole. Coming to the neck, I've given it 3. So to get my shoulder, like to slope it, is 1 inch that I marked there to slope my shoulder. So can you see what I've done there now? And can you see how I folded it? So this is how you go about it when managing your fabric to cut this free line dress that we are making. So this is how it will go. So that is the armhole side. So I'm cutting from the down side. So by the time you see it will come up. So that's what I'm doing there now, cutting at the down side of it now. So this is how you do your own when making your own. So this is how it is. So we have cut it. So I will just take away from the back side of it now, that is to get our neckline for the front side, that is the V neckline. So this is how I will do it, and I will pull it out. So I'm just opening the two sides because it's cut together that I'm cutting, that is the front and the back at once. So this is what I mean. So I want to cut the front side of it now. Let me fold it very well so that we can get our V neckline to cut, like the front side. So you can see every detail that I've done there. So just watch my video to the end and see how you cut your own when making your own, and I want you guys to do it on your own. So dye the neck and it will have a collar. So we'll also cut the collar for you to see how you also cut your collar. So this is what I did. I've gone to the machine to sew it together, that is from the shoulder, so that we will now mark from where we we'll get our collar. So what I marked there from the shoulder is 1.5 inch, and that's where our collar will start. So you will not take your tape rule to mark round to get where you marked, so that you will now have it. So what I have there is 11. What I marked there from there is 11. So this is what I will do. So that is the collar now that I want to mark. So that is my 11. So I will now mark exactly 11. What I'm marking there is 12 because of the sewing allowance that is there, and the width of it is 2.5. It's 2.5 that is there throughout. So that's what I'm marking there. This is how you go about it. Please always subscribe to my channel and watch my video to the end, and make a comment and share it to your friends, please. So this is what I will do. So I want to cut, so I will also use other material to use and go and turn it, so that after that you will now iron it out. So this is what I've done, and that is what I want to use to turn it out. So I've gone to the machine to sew it out and also turn it out. So what I will do now is for me now to measure it again. So what I have there now is that 12. Remember, it's 12. So for the sewing allowance, but the actual thing that will mark, that will measure from the neck that we want to face is 11. So you know you'll do it exactly that 11. So this is what I've done there now, and that is how you also do your own when making your own. Just watch everything that I'm doing here and do it. I want you guys to do it on your own so that you can be able to do it. This is the collar that we are making, and it have a V-neck line front that we want to make. So you go and fix it. So you remember all what I've said, that this is how you also fix it. So take it to the machine, iron, and that is what I'm telling you that I will go and do, and that is how you yourself also do it on your own. So I'm giving it a straight line for us to have that straight cutting. So this is how it will be. So it's 2.5 weight that I have on this. So I will take it now to go and lay and join it together and iron it out. So we have done that now. So this is the collar now, and so I will fix it to the neck now. So let me just show you what I will do. So I'm using my pin to pin it out, so that we'll go and sew it on the machine, and before you know it will be ready. So this is how you also do it when making your own. So just watch my tutorials to the end and give it a thumbs up and watch it to the end, please guys. So this is how it is. So can you see how it is now? So it has come out. So this is how you sew when making your own. That is the collar. So this is how I'm fixing it now. So I'm doing it the way you go and do it on your machine. So can you see now? So this is what I'm trying to show you. So after this now, we just take it to the machine to go and run it out, and before you know it will be ready. So can you see now that it is? So that is how the collar will go. So this is how it is now. So it has formed. So I've done that now. I've also ironed it now. So this is how it will be. So now is the sleeve. So it have a small sleeve. My length of my sleeve that I'm cutting there is 5, and what I'm bringing out from the armhole is 1. So that is what I'm doing there now. So I will just take it. The round sleeve now is 4. That is 12. That is 6 that I marked there now. So we'll go and join it to the machine now and sew it together and attach it to the main body of the sleeve dress, so it will be ready.
So our A-line free dress is ready. You can see how beautiful the dress is. Very beautiful. So the neckline is V neckline, and it has small collar and a small sleeve, and we made use of 2 yards of Duchess material. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can comment, like and share with your friends. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. Please, another way for you to support my channel is for you to please watch my tutorials to the end, guys. Please always watch my tutorials to the end. So we have another tutorial coming up on Friday, so keep a date with us so that you can also learn how to cut that particular style that we are going to show on Friday, for you to learn how to cut and sew that style. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on Friday.